How's it going, y'all? We're out here today on the ice fishing, as you can see, getting ready to go. We got a regular ice fishing rig right here, and well, I don't have any extras left, so I rigged up one of my own off one of my old broken rods. I'm going to show you that it doesn't really take a whole lot of fancy stuff to catch one. One thing we are doing today, we're really just a good friend of mine. We've been making these baits, and really we are just kind of testing them out, seeing what works when on what days. You know, he's a very experienced ice fisherman. I myself, I'm okay. I've been ice fishing for a few years now, not nearly as much as him though. So this is pretty awesome, getting to try out some of my own baits. We're tipping these baits with a wax worm. Yes, 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 yes. Beautiful. There we go. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's on the red and black. Still getting bites on this pink and white though. Look at this. This monster. Giant. Nothing but giants. That's right there. Huge. See that? It's called a bluegill shark. Always gotta kiss him before you throw him back. Nope. Ooh. Sploosh. Oh. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, boys. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm gonna need you to calm down, sir. Hand line. Gosh, hand line. Oh man, I just made a mess. I'd like to thank my mom, N Fisherman, Bass Pro Shop, Ryan Rab, for this moment right here. Catching monsters. Sploosh. Oh, he went in, came back out, and then say bye. See you later, little buddy. On lap number 3. Whoa, God, Lord. That was a whale shark. It's the biggest ones. Always get away. I'm telling you. Oh, see, just like that. When you set the hook, you know it's the biggest fish in the pond, and you never pull him out. So why it's not coming out? It's probably a turtle. Yeah, there he is, folks. That's it. That's a wall hanger right there. That'll show you now. Yeah, that pink and white's working. I kind of gave up on the red and black. I don't feel like tying another. They're getting bigger. We ain't going hungry today. We're just gonna let him go tell his friends.